As people continue to clean up after the tornadoes, they could sure use something to smile about. Well, it turns out there's a local company in St. Louis that sends out happiness. As we learn in tonight's Making a Difference report, they believe that smiles are started by smiles. In Kirkwood, Missouri, you can find sunshine indoors.
Well, this is what we call the Smile Factory.
Welcome to Seeds of Happiness, a business whose goal it is to get you to wear something more often. A smile.
All the smiles are handmade.
Mark Barella is the owner and creator.
Do the whole row and then I go back and poke them.
An accomplished sculptor, he started making little smiles with leftover lumps of clay.
What happened was they started giving them to their friends, and they started wanting them for their friends, and eventually people were like, would you just make them and sell them?
Now, 6 years later, Barella is all smiles. The company's 2012 revenues grew by nearly 40%, and their line of products is available at retail locations in 49 states.
The eyes are poked with little chopsticks.
The ceramic smiley faces come in different sizes and shapes, all with the seed theme.
Because it's metaphorically planting a smile on somebody's face.
What's it like to work for Mark?
At this company, there are no board meetings or quotas. In fact, every employee was a friend of the owner before he became the owner.
It's kind of like working for a 12-year-old because he's fun all the time.
We watch crazy movies, we eat popcorn, we sing and dance and have Disco Friday.
But they're carving out an important niche. They started realizing they were touching people's hearts when they started getting emails like this one. Seeds of happiness were passed out at my grandfather's funeral yesterday, and we all found a smile on our face and sincere appreciation. Thank you.
They've helped people through hard times, you know, and it's just the smallest little act of kindness.
In fact, it was just a small act of kindness that started the whole idea.
It gives me goosebumps still.
Paula Ivanowski is Mark's longtime friend. When her son Dawson was dying of cancer, Mark didn't know what to say, so he gave Paula and her husband some little clay smiles.
And the fact that he thought that much of us to bring these little smiles, I mean, to literally try to put a smile on our face through the hard times we were going through, it was, you know, it was, I mean, just amazing.
In a way, Dawson's seeds are planted in all the happiness the company sends out. The company's latest project is sending 1,000 specially packaged seeds to Moore, Oklahoma, to try and bring a little sunshine to the victims of the recent tornado.
Powerful things come in small packages.
Since everyone smiles in the same language, this small Missouri company hopes to one day do business all over the world. An idea planted in Kirkwood and now spreading from ear to ear. While there are no retail stores in other countries yet, they have received online orders from people as far away as Egypt, showing that everyone could use a smile. A reminder, if you have an